Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is going to be very simple and short one. So I'm going to be showing us how to wrap this earring. I've looked forward to doing this particular tutorial for a very long time and have not been able to. But today the video is finally here. So please just watch from the beginning to the end so that you can get to do it. Now, so when I go to source for earrings, I source for those ones that have that the studs, the stones are easy to come off, like you can easily remove them. So what I do is when I get them, I go ahead and then I use a a a sharp object or something that can help me remove, because what they use to glue it is just glue most times, or super glue. So I just go ahead and use my scissors or my knife or blade to just pull it out so I can have that stud and wrap it. So when I'm done with that, what I need for this is my fabric, my wool gum, and scissors with lighter. That's all I need for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the pattern I want, apply gum on this part, that's the back part of the stone, and go ahead to wrap it neatly, ensuring that the gum does not spill and my hand is not dirty, so I don't have my fabric looking dirty and stained. So just watch this carefully, you'll be able to understand and follow through. Okay, when I'm done with that wrapping, there's something I usually do, so I have a look in it. I go ahead to take a piece of fabric, black to be precise, or maybe the same color of fabric that I'm using, and I will just apply gum to the back where I have the rough the rough edges of the fabric that I folded, right? What I wrapped on this earring. I'll go ahead and add that black there using the UHU gum, and then I'll cut the excess off. And I'm actually done with this piece. The last part is to go ahead and apply glue on the frame of the earring. I apply some glue there, allow it to air dry for a bit, then go ahead and what's it called, attach that other part that you have just wrapped on it, and then leave it to properly dry out, and you are done with this piece. It is this simple and easy. So will you be trying this? What do you think about this tutorial? Is it handy? If you have earrings like this, you can easily wrap them. Now see what the back look like. It's looking neat, right? That's the reason why I put that black there, so that the back can look neat. So this is what I have. You can go ahead and just recreate yours. Thanks for watching, and bye.